Once you open the contract where you want to schedule the visits, open the contract, check the service details. It says General Pest Control yearly 1 service. And when we click on visit, we see that there is no visit planned. So let's go ahead and plan the visits. For planning the visits, we will click on Visit Planner. Okay, so it says that we haven't mentioned the contract start date and end date. That's the reason we cannot start the visit planning. We have to first enter the contract start date and end date. So let's go ahead and do that. We go to service details, open the product name. Over here, we will go ahead and select the contract start and end date. Let's say from 15th and a validity of 1 year, and it will take the contract end date automatically. Check the GST and save. Apply changes. Okay, over here one of the mandatory field is missing. That's why it's giving us that red notification. Okay, over here the salesperson is missing. So let's add a salesperson and apply changes. Now over here you can see the contract start date and end date is showing. Now let's go ahead and plan a visit. Since it's a yearly 1 service, click on Visit Planner. On this page, you will see the service name, that is General Pest Control, contract period, and yearly 1 service. So in frequency legacy, it's a drop down, select, and you have various options. So we will select the option of yearly 1 service, yearly once a year. And in the first visit date, we will go ahead and select the visit date. Let's say April 1st. And then click on the Create Visit Plan. It will say Visit Plan created successfully. Refresh required. Over here, now if you click on Visits, you will see that this visit has been planned. It will show you the visit type, service name, schedule date, visit 1, and status as open. Now, once you have created a visit, let's assign a technician. For assigning the technician, we will go on job. So once you type job in the search bar, you will see this job confirmation desk. Click on that. Over here, you will see various filter options. You can filter the job confirmation by customer name, service, status, expiry status, category, premise, area, branch, and technician name wise. So let's first let's try and check this with the so we have to assign the technician, so that's the reason we are not showing anything here. So the service that we have planned for the 1st of April. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the date, 1st of April, the 2nd. Once you click on go, it will show you all the records for that from 1st to 2nd, whatever services are planned, it will show. So over here, you will see that we have planned this service for Priyanka. So you can also select that, or you can filter that with the customer name. So currently we have applied 2 filters, the date filter and the customer name filter. So over here you will see the customer details, that is customer name, customer phone number, the visit number, the service information, that is the name of the service. It's a residential client, 1 BHK and the location is Dadar. Technician is still unassigned. Date and status, 1st April, status is pending, and the contract status is live and action. So to assign the technician to this service, we will click over here, and then from this assign technician drop down, we can select the technician. Okay, so let's select a technician. So once we have selected a technician, click on assign. It will ask assign Umesh, apply to one selected server visits. Say yes, and the technician will be assigned. Now, if you notice, the technician name has been updated. Now you can go ahead and confirm this service. So just click on confirm and it will confirm your visit. If in case the client calls and says that we are not available on 1st, please reschedule it. That also can be done from this page. You can just go ahead and click on reschedule, select the reschedule date and save. Over here, you have an option of adding any note. If you want to add any note for your technician, you can go ahead and do that. Over here, it will show you the history of this particular client. So if you click on history, it will show you the history of this particular visit and client. Right now, since this is just a first visit, that's why there is no history. In the collection section, if you click, you can add the amount that you want the technician to collect from the customer. You can say you have to collect, say, 2000 rupees. You can click OK and the collection amount is updated. This collection amount will show on this technician Umesh's mobile application, and he can go ahead and collect that amount from the customer by using the QR code. This is how you assign technician to any particular service. Also, from the same page, you can also go ahead and assign multiple technicians. How to do that? Suppose it's the same area wherein you want to give service to. Say we select Borivali and Borivali. Okay, so you want to assign a same technician to two different clients in Borivali. You can select that. You can select the Borivali and you can go ahead and assign a technician. Assign Pranay, selected for selected visits. Yes, assign. And that technician will be assigned to those sites. You can also filter the report by the technician name. Now you will see that Pranay has been assigned to this Borivali site and 4 services. So Pranay will have these services on his mobile. All the 4 services showing on his mobile. So this is how you assign a technician. Thank you.